What if you could launch an online side hustle today using AI that runs on total autopilot even while you are away from your desk?
Hey everyone! Today we're looking at the absolute best AI side hustle ideas for 2026. And I'm showing you how to set up an entire automated business ecosystem, hands-free, using AliDropship.
Most AI side hustle videos tell you to write articles manually or learn complex technical tools. But if you actually want a real scalable business, AliDropship removes all the friction. They are an industry powerhouse featured on Forbes, Entrepreneur, and NBC, with over 1.5 million stores launched and a 4.7-star rating on Trustpilot. The best part? You don't build anything from scratch. When you sign up, you get a fully built, ready-to-earn online store from day one. No coding skills, no web design experience, and zero technical knowledge required. It's a complete business in a box that operates smoothly right out of your web browser. Now let's talk about what you are actually selling. Forget buying physical inventory or dealing with crowded warehouses. In your store, you can offer high-demand digital products straight from the catalog at sellviacatalog.com. We are talking about guides, courses, and revolutionary AI toolkits that generate instant, personalized results for your buyers on the spot. This is where the true autopilot power comes in. Because these items are digital, order fulfillment is 100% automated. When a customer places an order, the system processes and delivers it instantly. No shipping delays, no customs, and zero logistics headaches. Plus, you keep an incredible 50% to 70% profit margin on every single transaction. And you don't even need marketing expertise to get traffic. AliDropship features a built-in automated promotion system. You simply choose a daily ad budget, starting as low as $10 a day. Click Activate, and the system automatically targets and drives buyers to your store. Many users get sales on day one, and you even receive a free $40 ad coupon with your trial. Over $1.5 billion has been earned by store owners on this platform globally. It's designed specifically for anyone looking to build extra streams of income without a massive upfront budget. Right now, you can claim your 14-day free trial using the link in the description, activate your $40 ad coupon, and launch your automated AI business today. See you in the next one.